Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. So this is the detailed Huawei Mate 40 Pro massive leak. It's described 12 megapixel and 5x camera with a 6.76 inch display. I make a lots of video about the Huawei Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus, but now this is the latest leaks. After a longer than usually wait, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is ready to be introduced. It's on Thursday on October 22. There have been a limited leaks and some may prove to be inaccurate. This latest bundle of info has been compiled by reliable Ronald Quintet and should be the most accurate yet, as it comes so close to the launch. The phone will feature a curved side of a booth, the display, and the sides. The design its meat make the side bezel disappear when you look at the display head on. The new Mate will be curver than the P40 Pro, but without sacrificing the side button like the 2019 Mate did. The display will measure 6.76 inch, largest in the series, and will be slightly sharper with a pixel density of 456 ppi thanks to the screen resolution 1344 by 2772 pixel. There is no word on the refresh rate, but the least 90 Hz seems like no barrier. This leak made it a different picture from what we saw in earlier render. There is no periscope for one. Instead, a classic 12 megapixel telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom, 125 mm focal length will be used. Another interesting change is that the laser autofocus will be paired with an optical depth sensor. This will be used to improve autofocus stroke. It's not yet clear how. There will be a depth sensor on the front too, sharing the pill-shaped punch hole with the 13 megapixel selfie camera behind bokeh effect. This will be used to detect hand gesture. The main camera will have 50 megapixel sensor with a lens f1.9 aperture and optical image stabilization. It will record 8K video, will feature both a dual tone LED flash and ambient lights color sensor for better color rendering. The third camera will be the 20 megapixel ultra wide module with a f1.8 aperture. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro will be powered by the Kirin 9000, the first 5nm chipset to feature integrated 5G modem. However, this may only sub 6 GHz. Chinese carrier are still in the planning stage for the mmWave rollout. Anyway, the CPU of the chipset will use Cortex A77 for its big cores with a prime core clocked at 3.13 GHz and 3 more A77 are running 256 GHz plus A55 little core at 2.04 GHz. The GPU will use ARM Male G78 design, and we have seen from early benchmark the Kirin leaves the Snapdragon 865 Plus behind in terms of graphic performance. For Europe, Huawei is reportedly planning a version with 8 gigs RAM plus 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. That version of the Chinese will go up 12GB of RAM storage, will be expandable through nano memory card. The new Mate will exceed all previous Huawei model with 65-volt wired fast charging support. Battery capacity will be 4400 mAh, so about the same as last year. Wireless charging include reverse wireless charging will be supporting too. Though we don't know the speed of those. The phone will launch with Android 10 plus EMUI 11 out of the box, paired with the Huawei Media Service, as Google service are still locked behind a trade embargo. It may take until next year for the new Mate to arrive in Europe, though the phone will probably be out in China before the end of 2020. Rumor has it the October 22 event will also bring the Mate 30 Pro E, a revamped version of last year model. This may be able to squeeze through a loophole and have Google Play pre-installed just like the P30 Pro new edition did, but we will find out that on Thursday on event. We can expect this special edition of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro this year, as well as an RS model that will feature approach design looks and a Pro Plus model which will upgrade the camera. Whether these reach Europe remains to be seen, though it's quick unlikely it's least for the Pro Plus model. A leak showing the Mate 40 Pro Plus render and the retail box suggests that instead of donut that the rear camera design will be based on the octagon. Huawei official teased that the Mate 40 design showing a similar angular camera Iceland through not an octagon. So this is the latest news about the Huawei Mate 40 series, Huawei Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus. So the event on October 22. Let me know in the comment section, are you like the new upcoming Huawei Mate 40 series, and are you waiting for the upcoming Huawei Mate 40? Let me know in the comment section. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.